IELTS Writing Preparation Tips. IELTS, International English Language Testing System, is a widely recognized English language proficiency. IELTS measures students' language proficiency of students who want to migrate or relocate to an English-speaking country to study, work, or for PR purposes. Residents from non-native English-speaking nations must take English proficiency tests like IELTS to migrate to an English-speaking country. IELTS measures students' language proficiency through 4 different modules: listening, reading, writing, speaking. Students must get a good band score in each module, which requires different preparation tips and strategies. In this video, I will provide the best IELTS writing preparation tips to get a high band score in IELTS writing. So let's get started. IELTS writing preparation tips. Preparing for the IELTS writing task can be hard if you follow proper tips and strategies. This is also one of the hardest modules in the IELTS exam, so students should prepare for this module in a serious way. So let's have a look at the tips for IELTS writing. Time management. Improving coherence and cohesion. Improve grammar and vocabulary. Use phrases and transition words. Practicing keeping an eye on the time. Read sample answers for ideas. Time management. Time management is one of the most important IELTS writing preparation tips that will be useful in IELTS writing and other modules. The best way to manage your time properly in IELTS writing is to set a time limit for both tasks. Improving coherence and cohesion. Coherence and cohesion are 2 of the most important things every writing must have. Coherence refers to the logical flow and organization of ideas in your writing. It ensures that your essay is understandable and that all the arguments and important points are placed properly. Improve grammar and vocabulary. This is also one of the important IELTS writing preparation tips. If you aim to get a good score in IELTS writing, then grammatical accuracy and vocabulary play an essential role. To convey your idea more accurately, it is important to use grammar accurately in your writing. Also, using a range of vocabulary improves your quality of writing, which is essential to get a 6+ band score in IELTS writing. Use phrases and transition words. Transition verbs are crucial in showing the relationship between your ideas or sentences. Transition verbs create coherence and give clarity to your writing. Practicing keeping an eye on the time. While practicing for the IELTS writing, you must practice by keeping an eye on the time. Don't give yourself more than 55 minutes to complete the IELTS writing tasks. It will give you a real-time exam experience, and you will feel less stressed on the exam day. Read sample answers for ideas. Another one of the most useful IELTS writing preparation tips is reading the sample answers. This tip can be very helpful for those students who face difficulties in generating ideas in IELTS writing. Students can download our IELTS writing PDF to get a sample answer for the latest IELTS writing questions. Books to prepare for IELTS writing. IELTS Advantage. Writing Skills, by Richard Brown, Lewis Richards, and Patricia Aspinall. Target Band 7. IELTS Academic Module, How to Maximize Your Score, by Simone Braverman. Writing for IELTS, by Sam McCarter. Cambridge Vocabulary for IELTS Advanced Band 6.5+, by Pauline Cullen. IELTS Writing Task 1+2. The Ultimate Guide with Practice to Get a Target Band Score of 8.0+ in 10 Minutes a Day, by Rachel Mitchell. Check Your English Vocabulary for IELTS. Essential Words and Phrases to Help You Maximize Your IELTS Score, by Rod and Wyatt. IELTS Writing Task 2 Academic and General. The Complete Guide with Model Answers, by Matt McGinnis. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.